Here's the situation concerning Bitcoin, and potentially a reversal happening today. I'm going to analyze Bitcoin. I'll tell you what I think about it, and I'll tell you at least what might transpire right now. So we are currently looking at the weekly chart. The weekly chart, it has been for me. Bitcoin has consistently been on an upward trend, and we can clearly see that right here. And my analysis using the Auto Fibonacci tool shows that we've reached the 1.618 Fibonacci level with the impulse move we experienced. And on the weekly time frame, despite a bit of a pullback in recent days, we've still seen a significant rise, which is quite positive. Looking at the recent action, it's good. There was a red candle, but we've already seen a rebound. The stochastic oscillator, which is that little blue line behind, and the money flow index are both indicating a very strong upward momentum. So Bitcoin is doing well. Now, when we observe that things are going well, the important thing is to find a good entry point. That's really the objective. Moving over to the daily chart, we can observe that we've come back down. Here, we descended, and we actually touched the bottom of the Crypto-Quebec indicator. We bounced off it, and this is a really strong signal. We're heading back upwards. We're approaching the top of this line here, which represents a resistance level. We push down briefly, creating a wick that broke the previous high, reaching a new unprecedented peak. Obviously, when a new peak is reached, many people tend to short the market, and that's precisely what happened. People went short, and then, it bounced back on the Crypto-Quebec indicator. However, the trading day isn't over yet, so we can't definitively calculate this candle's outcome. It's possible it could still close as a bullish candle, moving upwards. But as we can see, we did indeed bounce off the Crypto-Quebec indicator. So let's switch to the 4-hour chart. This is what I'm observing here, and after that, we'll form a clearer idea of the current situation. You've seen the Auto Fibonacci tool. This is version 2.4 of the Crypto-Quebec indicator. I really want to thank Steph, who programmed this indicator. He spent his evening working on it. But version 2.4.1, which includes the boxes, is supposed to be released tonight. So if you're interested in getting the Crypto-Quebec indicator, you just need to click down here at the bottom of the video in the description. You'll see a link to Discord, and within the indicator section, you'll be able to retrieve the Crypto-Quebec indicator completely free of charge. Obviously, you will also need to have a TradingView account. The